Welcome to the English Matura with JB podcast. Imagine detecting signs of life from 705 trillion miles away. That's exactly what scientists might have just accomplished, and it could completely change our understanding of life in the universe.
Let's be careful with those exciting claims. While this discovery is fascinating, we should examine exactly what the evidence shows before jumping to conclusions.
Well, let me paint the picture of this incredible world we're talking about. K2-18b is what astronomers call a super-Earth, about 120 light-years away. And get this, it's 9 times more massive than our planet.
What makes this particular planet so intriguing to scientists?
So here's where it gets really interesting. K2-18b sits in what we call the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. But even more exciting, scientists think it might be a Hycean world, basically a massive ocean planet with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere.
And that's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in, right? The observations it made in 2023 were pretty remarkable.
Exactly. The Webb Telescope detected something called dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, in the planet's atmosphere. Now, this is huge because on Earth, this gas is mainly produced by living organisms, especially marine plankton.
Though we should mention the technical details, they used 2 different instruments to verify this finding.
Right. First, they used NIRIS-NIRSPEC in 2023, and then MIRI in 2024, which found DMS levels potentially 10,000 times higher than Earth's levels. I mean, can you even wrap your mind around that scale?
Well, that's certainly attention-grabbing, but some scientists, like Dr. Chris Lintott, suggest it could actually be DMDS, a similar chemical compound.
You know what's fascinating, though? Dr. Madhusudhan, who led the research, believes that a living ocean best explains all the evidence they're seeing. It's like putting together pieces of an enormous cosmic puzzle.
Let's talk about how scientists can even detect these chemical signatures from such an immense distance.
Oh man, this is where the science gets really cool. The Webb Telescope uses super-sensitive spectrographs that analyze light passing through K2-18b's atmosphere. Each chemical leaves its own unique fingerprint, like a cosmic barcode that we can read from trillions of miles away.
And we're not just looking for random chemicals. Scientists have specific biosignatures they're searching for, right?
Exactly. They're looking for particular combinations of gases that might indicate biological processes. Think of it like a chemical recipe. Certain ingredients together might suggest something's cooking up life out there.
Though we should probably emphasize that when we talk about potential life, we're not talking about advanced civilizations.
Oh no, we're likely looking at something more like Earth's earliest life forms. Maybe microscopic organisms similar to the bacteria that first appeared in our planet's ancient oceans. But even that would be an absolutely groundbreaking discovery.
So what's next for this research? Where do we go from here?
Scientists are planning multiple follow-up observations using not just Webb, but other telescopes too. They're going to look for additional biosignatures and try to confirm whether that signal is truly DMS. And get this, K2-18b is just the first of many Hycean worlds they plan to study.
That methodical approach really shows how science works, gathering evidence, testing hypotheses, and building understanding gradually over time.
You know what really blows my mind about all this? We're living in an age where questions that have puzzled humanity for thousands of years, are we alone? Is there life out there? Are finally being addressed with real scientific data.
Let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. What should our listeners remember about this discovery?
Well, first, we've potentially detected signs of life on a distant planet, but we need more evidence to be certain. Second, the methods we're using to study these distant worlds are absolutely groundbreaking. And finally, this is just the beginning. Webb is going to study many more potentially habitable worlds in the coming years.
And I think it's worth adding that even if this particular discovery turns out to be something else, we're learning invaluable lessons about how to search for life in the universe.
Looking forward to seeing what other cosmic mysteries we uncover in the years ahead. The universe is out there just waiting to surprise us. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. We truly appreciate your time and support. Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with others who might enjoy it. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you next time on the English Matura with JB podcast. Take care and have a fantastic day.